my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit about the iHome, and this is just part of that good items to get for Black Friday or items to get a loved one for Christmas or for yourselves. I'm going to be speaking about the Apple home speaker, and it looks like this. It's pretty awesome to have around the house. When I first got this, I was super paranoid because I was like, it's listening to our conversations. I still kind of think it does, but
here's Dark Conversation by Rod Wave.
See what I'm talking about? But it's pretty good to have around the house because let's say you wake up and you need to find out the weather quickly. You can just kind of be like, hey Siri, what's the weather today?
It's currently cloudy and 52 degrees. Temperatures will be fairly consistent, averaging about 50 degrees. My weather data is provided by the Weather Channel.
You can get your weather report. You can get little fun facts that you need. I think that there's a feature where you can add things to a grocery list if you had ran out of something. It's a great speaker. I only have one of it in my studio and I can hear it all around. It almost sounds like it's a surround system, but it's actually not. That's one of the things that I love about it. When it's not being used for information, it makes for a great speaker that gives you like a surround sound feel. So, hey Siri.
Good evening. Sunshine. How can I help?
What's the capital of Rome?
Here's what I found from Wikipedia.org. Rome, capital city, and commune in Italy. For more, say, open this on iPhone.
One of the features is that once it finds information, it can send it to an iPhone. So let's say it's too lazy to give you a readout, it will send the information to your phone and you can view it that way. Hey Siri, what can you do?
You can ask me, hey Siri, what will the weather be like in Yosemite this weekend? Hey Siri, who has the most touchdowns in football? Or, hey Siri, how many cups are in a liter? You can ask it different questions. Let's say you were in the middle of cooking and you wanted to know what is Eastern Standard Time. That always gets me, the different time zones, just because of the work that I do. Hey Siri, tell me a joke. I went to the store to get a book about turtles. Hardbacks asked the shopkeeper. Yes, I replied. They also have little tiny heads. But yes, as you see, it's a very cool system to have, and when it's not being informative like it's being, it serves as great speakers for the home. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are into upgrading your life, if you are into just doing better, wanting more. This is the channel for you. We can grow together, we can share facts together, and we can help one another above all, just to kind of get to the level that we're trying to get to. So if you are into the glow up, you are into beauty, you are into lifestyles, this is the channel for you, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.